Hello, beautiful souls. Welcome to my channel, Mystical Honey. So, today we are going to do monthly reading for Sagittarius for the month of February 2026. This is a general reading, guys. Please take what resonates with you and leave the rest. For more accurate and personal readings, you can reach out to me. My email ID is given in the description of this video and also in my channel's info. So we'll see the overall energy for you, Sagittarius, in the month. Key challenges and obstacles, your actions and advice, your key strength and opportunities, and the probable outcome. At the end, we will also take a guiding message from the angel and ancestors deck. So please do stay till the end. So let's see what do the cards have for you, Sagittarius, for February. Overall, sorry, overall energy, please, for Sagittarius. Okay, I'll take both. All right, let's see. What are the key challenges we have for you, Sagittarius? Whoa. What's happening? Key challenges for Sagittarius, please. Key challenges and obstacles for Sag in February. Key challenges and obstacles for Sagittarius in February. Okay. Please clarify Six of Cups. Please clarify Six of Cups for Sagittarius. Please clarify Six of Cups for Sagittarius. Please clarify Six of Cups for Sagittarius. Okay. Got it. Alright. Let's see what are the actions or advice we have for you. Actions or advice for Sagittarius for February. Actions or advice for Sagittarius. Please clarify King of Pentacles. Please clarify King of Pentacles for Sagittarius. Alright. Let's see the probable outcome for you. Oh, sorry. The strength and opportunities. Sorry. Alright. Please clarify the Emperor card as the strength. Please clarify the Emperor card as the strength and opportunities for Sagittarius. Please clarify the Emperor card for Sagittarius. Please clarify the Emperor card for Sagittarius. Please clarify the Emperor card. Wow. Both the major arcana cards have come as your strength and opportunity. And you see, it's 4, 5. Alright, let's see the probable outcome for you. Probable outcome. Alright. Let me shift the cards here a bit. Please clarify Seven of Pentacles for Sagittarius as the probable outcome. Seven of Pentacles is the probable outcome for Sagittarius. You're dealing with a lot of emotions, I think. I see. Yeah, see again. Alright. Okay. So, bottom of the deck we have the Six of Swords. So, bottom of the deck energy is basically your subconscious energies, my dear, or the energies you are dealing with lately. You may not be talking about it or acknowledging it, or you may not be actually, expressing it. But yeah, deep down, I see this is what is happening. So, I see that you are ready to walk away from something which is not giving you mental peace. Okay. Any kind of situation now, it can be in your workplace, it can be in your relationships, it can be anything basically which is not giving you mental peace, and now you have made up your mind that I can't deal with this, I can't deal with this chaos, I don't want this unnecessary drama in my life, and I want mental peace, and you are ready to walk away from that situation. See, the walking away card is a confirmation. See, so you are walking away from something which is not giving you peace. Now it can be an emotional peace, like maybe from a connection, a friend circle, a group, your companionship, like जिनके साथ भी आप hang out करते थे. Now you don't feel that you fully they fully understand you, or you don't feel like you belong there anymore, and now you are deciding somewhere to move on from that situation or move away from that situation. For some of you it can be changing your work, because now that is too getting too difficult for you to deal with, and now you are planning to move towards something which will give you mental peace and clarity. Okay, and you are focusing on mental peace than anything else right now, is what I am seeing, Sagittarius. Okay, so the energy for the month for you is, as I said, you are focusing on mental peace and you are focusing on being clear. Okay, so there is this energy of choosing your peace, choosing your well-being over other things, over other connections, over it's like आप अपने अपने आप को कहीं ना कहीं प्रायोरिटी देने का सोच रहे हो, या फिर आप कुछ ऐसे एक्शंस ले रहे हो जहाँ पे you are thinking that whether you will get the mental peace, mental clarity, emotional satisfaction, that joy, अगर आप किसी ऐसे कनेक्शन में थे जहाँ पे आपको unnecessary कुछ ना कुछ conflicts होता रहता था, and you were not having that peace of mind. So now you are thinking that you want something which will give you peace, and which is something which is stable, with something which is long term. Okay, उस तरह की energy है, and you are talking about it clearly. For some of you it can be being very clear on what kind of partner you are looking for, and for some of you it can be for very few and specific that आपका you might decide to get married, or marriage date is getting fixed for you, and you are very clear on what kind of life you are looking for with your partner going forward. And you are focusing on a family kind of thing. As I said, long term thing is what is running in your mind. You are not entertaining anything which is short term, or which is just for the entertainment purpose, and you are focusing on the long term goals in your life. Okay, I also see that for some of you, you are very clear in your communication, and you are having that foresightedness. You are having you need to either you need to, if you are not, or if you are already doing it, then you are being very clear on your communication, on on expressing what is running in your mind, what is that you will accept and what is that you will not tolerate. All that is very clear. जो भी confusions था वो दूर हो रहा है. आप बहुत क्लियरली आगे बढ़ रहे हो अपने लाइफ में, बहुत सोच समझ के आप डिसीजन ले रहे हो. इट्स नॉट दैट यू आर नॉट लेटिंग इमोशंस ओवर पावर यू. Okay, so you are being logical, you are being intellect, and at the same time you are being very clear on your communication, which is a very good thing. And I see that people will see you as someone who is having that confidence, who is ready to deal with the situation, or is someone having having that leadership quality to lead a particular thing. Like, you are not running away from responsibilities, is also what I am getting here for you. Okay, for some of you it can be you are आपको maybe in your workplace you are giving a certain role, a certain project where you have to take the lead, and you will have to handle a team maybe. Okay, so you will be emotionally supporting, but at the same time you will be logical also when it comes to work and managing the team. Okay, so दोनों का mix and match है. You are not ignoring the emotions completely, but you are at the same time not letting emotions overpower your logic. Okay, so that is what is happening in the month of February for you, Sag. Now the obstacle here I see is there is some kind of अगर आपका कोई ऐसा past connection रहा है जहाँ पे you were emotionally invested, so you are somewhere deep down you might be missing that person, या फिर आप lack of emotional connection or emotional bond कहीं ना कहीं आपको वो missing वाला energy है. Maybe missing someone from the past, or not able to overcome the past person or a past connection, or making it आपको लग रहा होगा कि जो पास्ट में हुआ वो फिर से तो नहीं हो जाएगा. हाउ विल आई बी एबल टू कनेक्ट इमोशनली एट दैट लेवल. वो एक कहीं ना कहीं इमोशंस को लेके आप कहीं पे बंधा हुआ या फंसा हुआ महसूस कर रहे हो, उस तरह की एनर्जी है. सो यू हैव टू फोकस ऑन गिविंग दैट लव, केयर, कंसर्न जो भी आप पास्ट पर्सन को दे रहे थे. नाउ यू हैव टू शिफ्ट इट टू योर सेल्फ एंड टू योर लव्ड वंस. ओके, I also see that you may have been आपने अपने आप को आइसोलेट कर लिया होगा. अगर आपने ऐसा कोई कनेक्शन रहा है जिससे you have gone through some kind of emotional pain, तो आप उससे overcome नहीं कर पा रहे हो and you are not sharing it with others. Okay, so that is also what is happening. Like deep down कहीं ना कहीं वो that past connection, past bond, past issues, past love is coming back again and again in your mind, and आप कहीं ना फिर से उसमें चले जाते हो, उस जोन में चले जाते हो past वाले. So you don't have to do that. Okay, you need to overcome that past energy. Okay, जो हो गया है हो गया. You need to now come out as someone who is confident and clear. Okay, don't let emotions overpower you, or don't let past past experience, past connection stop you from growing ahead in your life. Okay, now the action or advice here is for you to be stable. देखो, these both are the king of pentacles and king of cups. Now the king here is someone who is very confident, who is very stable, no matter उसकी life में क्या चल रहा हो. The king always comes out as more balanced, secured, clear, and present at that particular moment. ठीक है, वो जो भी सिचुएशन है, जो भी डिसीजन लेना है, दैट उस तरह की एनर्जी नहीं होती है कि मेरे साथ ये हो गया तो मैं इस तरह का डिसीजन लूंगा. नो, यू हैव टू बी लॉजिकल, यू हैव टू बी क्लियर. आपको आगे का ध्यान में रखते हुए, ऐसे से राइट, फोर साइटेडनेस होने की जरूरत है, लॉन्ग टर्म चीज पे फोकस करने की जरूरत है, उसके बाद आपको कोई भी डिसीजन लेना है. ठीक है, नाउ हियर two things. Now you have to focus on your long term financial stability. आपको थोड़ा मनी मैनेजमेंट पे भी ध्यान देने की जरूरत है. If you are spending a lot of money and without any proper plan, without any proper strategy, so you need to be mindful of where you are investing, how much percent you should save, how much percent you should invest, how much percent you should keep for your day to day needs. उस तरह से आपको थोड़ा सा financial management करने की जरूरत है. Also you have to बी स्टेबल. आपका जो भी चल रहा है ना इमोशनल लेवल पे, आप जो भी सिचुएशन से आप डील कर रहे हो, जो भी इमोशन से आप डील कर रहे हो, डीप डाउन इट इज वेरी डिफिकल्ट फॉर यू, राइट. थोड़ा टर्मोइल चल रहा है, कभी आपको यू माइट फील एकदम लो फील हो सकता है, कभी आपको मिसिंग वाली एनर्जी फील हो सकती है, कभी आपको लग सकता है कि आई डोंट हैव इमोशनल सपोर्ट, आई डोंट हैव इमोशनल बॉन्ड इन माई लाइफ, जिससे मैं I can be myself, right, without fear of being judged. So उस तरह की एनर्जी है, but you need to come out as someone who is stable. Okay, someone who is emotionally available to yourself and to the people around. Okay, so आपको इन इमोशंस को अपने ऊपर ओवर पावर होने नहीं देना है, अपने ऊपर हावी होने नहीं देना है. Rather you have to focus on your emotional stability and focusing on something which is going to give you a long term stability in your connections, in your in your relations. Okay, maybe आप हो सकता है whatever has happened, आप जिस भी वजह से अगर आप इमोशनली कनेक्ट नहीं कर पा रहे हो, मे बी विद योर फैमिली, विद योर फ्रेंड्स, विद योर क्लोज वंस, तो आपको उनको फॉर ग्रांटेड नहीं लेना है. ठीक है, सो जस्ट ट्राई टू बैलेंस योर इमोशंस, ट्राई टू बी स्टेबल, इमोशनली स्टेबल, इमोशनली मेच्योर वे में आपको थोड़ा सा सिचुएशन को डील करने की जरूरत है. इज व्हाट इज द एडवाइस आई एम सीइंग हियर फॉर यू Sagittarius. Okay, so just try to stay humble, stay kind, but at the same time don't let others take advantage of your kindness. Be logical, but don't let that past energies or your suppressed emotions overpower you. अगर आपको बहुत difficult है to deal with it, just release whatever is heavy on you to deal with. Just release it. अगर आपको लगता है आप किसी से share नहीं कर सकते हो, nobody will understand, so just write it down on a paper. Sit with yourself, no distraction, just write everything what is running on in your mind, in your heart. Just write it down and burn it off. Okay, अगर आपको लगता है कि आप उसको रख नहीं सकते हो, आपको रखना नहीं है, तो just write it down and burn it off. Okay, it will make you feel much better. ठीक है, so just try to focus on long term stability, deal with the situation with emotional maturity, and you will overcome the challenges. Now the strength here is maybe this is a testing phase you are going through in your life. Okay, because these are both the major arcana cards. Major arcana cards are the major major events which will happen in your life. Now it can be a sudden change in your personality, a sudden change in yourself on how you see things. आपका आपका चीजों को देखने का नजरिया बदल जाएगा. You are coming out as someone who is stable and not giving up in any situation. ठीक है, सो जो भी हुआ है आप उसको बहुत कॉन्फिडेंटली, बहुत मेच्योरिटी के साथ आप डील कर लोगे, बट एट द सेम टाइम यू हैव टू क्रिएट बैलेंस. एज आई सेड, आप इमोशंस को ओवर पावर होने नहीं दे रहे हो, बट एट द सेम टाइम यू आर लॉजिकल, right? This is what the energy for the month is, and at the same time you have to deal with the situation with maturity. ठीक है, so ये दोनों cards these messages are being confirmed by these cards also, कि जो भी challenge है आप उसको अपने डिसीजन, आपके डिसीजन का क्या इम्पैक्ट होगा लॉन्ग टर्म, आपके ऊपर, आपकी फैमिली के ऊपर, आपके क्लोज वंस के ऊपर, आपके फाइनेंसेस पे, आपको उन सब चीज़ों को ध्यान में रखते हुए डिसीजन लेने की ज़रूरत है। एंड आई ऑल्सो सेड लाइक कि हो सकता है कि आपको कोई ऐसा रोल दे दिया जाए, या फिर देर इज अ फेस कमिंग इन योर लाइफ जहाँ पे अ completely new thing is happening now. For some of you getting married, some of you taking care of a completely all completely different project or altogether a different responsibility being given to you. तो आपको बहुत बैलेंस के साथ उस सिचुएशन को हैंडल करने की जरूरत है, एंड यू विल डू इट, ओके, यू विल डू इट, देयर इज नो डाउट इन इट, बट डोंट गेट इनटू ओवर कॉन्फिडेंस एंड डोंट लेट योर इमोशंस ओवरपावर यू, ठीक है। नाउ द आउटकम, सॉरी, द आउटकम हियर इज, yep, the outcome here is that आपको लगेगा कि when will I get the success and when will I start celebrating my success or my achievement, okay? So don't get into that frustrating energy, because waiting period में थोड़ा सा frustration होना is normal. So don't let that waiting energy turn into frustration. Rather, आपने जो भी आज तक achieve किया है, जो भी आपने whatever you are blessed with, be grateful for that. You will get the rewards of your hard work. जो भी आपने मेहनत की है उसके लिए आपको rewards मिलेंगे, but थोड़ा सा slow movement है, but at the same time there will be emotional satisfaction also coming in your way or coming into you, okay, is what I'm seeing here. So there is a celebration. This card is also telling me that आपको छोटी छोटी चीज़ों के लिए भी आपको thankful होने की ज़रूरत है, and you need to जो भी, अगर आपने किसी प्रोजेक्ट को सक्सेसफुली कंप्लीट कर लिया, then just share it with others, and celebrate for it with your loved ones, okay, with your close ones, जो आपके लिए genuinely care करते हैं, जो आपके लिए genuinely happy हैं, आप उनके साथ शेयर करो अपने अचीवमेंट्स को, अपने सक्सेस को, एंड इट विल मेक यू फील गुड. फॉर सम ऑफ यू इट कैन ऑल्सो बी मीटिंग योर ओल्ड फ्रेंड्स, जिनके साथ आप आप ओपन हो सकते हो, आप इमोशनली आप जिनके साथ कनेक्ट करते हो, आपको उनके साथ मिलने की ज़रूरत है. इट कैन बी planning a small vacation or a small trip or a small gathering also for some of you. It can be for very few and specific that you have a small group of 3 members which is a very different personality but mingle well with each other, right? उस तरह की एनर्जी है. कोई एनर्जेटिक है बहुत ज़्यादा, कोई बहुत ज़्यादा स्पिरिचुअल है, कोई बहुत ज़्यादा पीस लवर है, उस तरह की एनर्जी है जो आप आपका बॉन्ड बहुत अच्छा हो जाता है आपस में, बिकॉज एवरीबडी कम्स फ्रॉम डिफरेंट पर्सपेक्टिव बट एवरीबडी अंडरस्टैंड ईच अदर, राइट? उस तरह की एनर्जी इज ऑल्सो आई एम गेटिंग हियर फॉर यू. सो जस्ट ट्राई टू मीट your loved ones, your close friends, your family members, and celebrate for your success, because growth is there, but थोड़ा सा वेटिंग वाला एनर्जी रहेगा आउटकम में, बट इमोशनली यू विल फील बेटर, इमोशनली you will feel happy, satisfied, okay? That is what I'm getting here for you, Sagittarius. Now let's see, the month is good, but all you have to take care is don't let the past or emotions overpower you, okay? Now I got 2 cards, so let's take both. So great teacher, learn from your spiritual experiences. As I said, जो भी आपका जो भी अभी तक आपने एक्सपीरियंस किया है अपने लाइफ में, जस्ट यूज ऑल दोज एक्सपीरियंसेस एज योर एज योर टीचर, एज योर लेसन, एंड अप्लाई दैट प्रिंसिपल, अप्लाई दैट लेसन इन योर करंट सिचुएशन, एंड डील विद इट. And also we have the star ancestors, which is follow the voice of your soul. So don't let, as I said, आप दूसरों को decide मत करने दो कि आपको क्या करना चाहिए क्या नहीं. Rather try to understand your own, what is your soul is trying to say, what is that your gut says that this is what you should do and this is what you should not do, and do that, okay? So this is the message I have for you, Sagittarius, for February. If you have liked it, please do like this video, and if you have not subscribed to my channel, I request you to please subscribe to my channel for daily tarot insights. Also, please don't forget to claim the positive energy from this reading, okay? Bye bye.